Okay, today I'm going to do a tutorial on creating a mesh out of shape keys. So just scale this down 0.1 and then move it to the corner. And then in the mesh details, there's this shape keys thing. So that add a basis and then we'll add key number 1. And I'll just extrude this out. So now we have key 1 right here. And then I'll repeat the process. So with this influence to 1, I'll go to the down arrow, new shape from mix. Then I'll take this one, reduce its value to 0, take this value up to 1, and then do another extrude off of this. Actually, I can extrude from here too. Okay. And then I'll take a new shape from mix right here. And I'll take this and take this down to 0, move this up to 1, and I'll just complete this bottom part. There we go. And then just to like make this more simple, I'll take all of these faces right here and extrude these up. So quite a bit happening in this step. Go. Boom. So I'll take this and make new shape from mix. Take this down to 0, put this up to 1, and then I'll just complete this. There we go, we have a cube. I'll delete the template cube. That should leave us with this. I'm going to open up the graph editor here. And let's just start placing keyframes and see what happens. So I'm going to start out with putting a keyframe on all these. Then go to like probably frame 10. And then move key 1 to 1 here. Then do the next key, make sure that's at 0. Go to frame 20. This one becomes a new 1. This one goes down to 0. Oops. 0 and 0. And then we'll go to frame 30. 0, 1, 0. And then 40. Go and take this down to 0. This one to 1. And I'll just insert keyframes. Now when I go to the graph editor, you should see that each one of these turns on as the other one turns off. They're sort of directly proportional. So when I play it back, the larger object is built from all these consecutive shape key animations. And that's basically the basics of this technique.